Imagine a world where every breath you take is fresh and clean, where the roar of a tiger is not a sound of the past. Welcome to Conservation in a Blink, Success Stories Revealed. Did you know the majestic Amur leopard, once on the brink of extinction, has seen its numbers double in the past decade, thanks to concerted conservation efforts? And let's not forget the humpback whales. Their population has rebounded from a few hundred to over 20,000 in the past 50 years, a testament to the power of global bans on commercial whaling. Then there's the American bald eagle, a symbol of strength and freedom, soaring high again with over 10,000 nesting pairs today, up from a dire 417 in the early 60s. Conservation is not a spectator sport, folks. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we pull together. So, keep the spirit alive, and remember, every little action counts. Join us next time for more inspiring stories in Conservation in a Blink. Remember, change starts with you.